mbunge wa kiliombunge Kya Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro niwakulya mbunge ya kati kukuiisya iseso ya kuthoua kwa 15% kana kilungu cha 15 yulua yana cha shares Sya Silikali kambunini wa mikumukanilye wa Safaricom. Aineena avikite mbee wa kikalo cha vamwe cha nzama ya makoani mwenenthi ila ni public debt na ila ya kinandu ila ni finance Nyoro niwasya kana Uthoosya wa kuluswa nivatonyeka nthi ya Kenya ikakosa ukumu yulua kambunino ivindani yokite mwaka mweo na mauvo.
Anduna ila ya makoani mwenenthi mbungeni ya kati nzama ila siende na kosania mawoni mwenenthi na ene ianda kivathukanio yulu Uthoosya wa shares sia kambuni wa mikumukanilye wa Safaricom. Muyumbe wa kiliombunge Kya Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro niwakulya mbunge ya kati kwamba kuungamw'E iseso ya kuthoosya shares ithi na vala wolota mavuthi nthini wa nthi ila inatumikie kumantha athoi ma shares isu.
Of the announcement of this deal, it came in wholesome. This is not how even transactions have been done previously. You come and bombard the market with information, and then immediately you're already announcing the price. So who determined that price? Beyond the market, can we get the government of Kenya, when they conceptualized this issue of selling our stake, which valuation methods did they employ? Who did they hire to do the valuation? When did they hire those people? Because listening to the proceedings in the previous appearances, I heard about KCB and a framework contract. But Chairman, I would want to see that framework contract.
Ndindi niwaweta kana ketha Uthoosya unu kuendea pena mwisyo wa silikali kasya mbee wa silingi bilioni ya yimwe kumanwa na anene ma silikali kwithiwa na mawendi ma kimbene.
So we are here talking about 2 or 4 billion, but the net amount of money we are actually getting as Kenya is 104 billion, because 100 billion shillings is already lost in quotations precedent. Chairman, if there is one thing that you have to stop, is that one. Because there is no basis. We are here committing our country for the next 25 years. And I'd want all of us to add 25 years to the age that we already have. And we commit that we can continue answering these questions. That we committed Kenya to a loss of 100 billion. That we are willing to answer that question until, if you are 40, you are 65. And what is the basis of even this quotation precedent? It is just absurd, Chair. And this must stop.
Nyoro ni umbula kana Uthoosya wa shares ithi Sya Silikali tawaku niwe kimbithini na vala alame na muvango wa kuthoosya shares ithi makomanie na mavangi yathoa matasyaitye kiwango cha ilovia ila itoetie.
And some of these conversations that were done, that we take this discussion and this transaction so light that we were doing phone calls. Phone calls where Kenya is losing 100 billion shillings, that make this letter to the... You know, when the transaction happened, Chair, it was a hurry, because I thought this is the only person who can bail us out. Because we are nearing election, we need money. You want to sweeten the deal. In the markets, we say sweetening the deal. So that, okay, I'm selling this cow, but I'm also selling with the calf. You try to sweeten. So, the quotation precedent we gave is actually bigger than what we are selling. So we lose money on one hand through CA, one on licenses, 5 of them.
Ripoti ya vilingi wa mavo ni tawa mwaka mweu.